beginning of week 5. Week 5. Here we go. Week 5. Been a little bit slow. Been doing a little bit of finish work. So, as you can see, I've started to clean things out. Now I'm going to take a few things. Now these boxes were full, and I did an unboxing. So I'll show you a little bit of that unboxing right now. So but from that unboxing, we have quite a few things. So let me show you real quick. So if we go behind the bar, I've been basically doing this. I've been fitting. You can see I've been framing and fitting. And these are the drawers. You see these drawers right there? There's my beneath bar drawers. Now these drawers can be used for a lot of things. You can put plastic containers in, and you can put like bottles of soda and beer or whatever you want in there. So you can actually have cold beers like that. A lot of people do that. You don't have to have refrigeration. This could be for more trash or for bottle recycling. But you can see I've got electrical outlet over here. This is for blenders, assuming you do that. I'm actually going to put another outlet right over here, and that is going to maybe run an under bar light set so we can light this place up. But I actually had a little bit of fun. Look at that. You can see that string right there. This is just some old lights that I have, and I took, see right there, you can see that that solar right there, and it kind of looks a little bit blue cute, but so I just threw it up there just for fun. Here is the big show right here. I call this the big show. We've got refrigerator. Now that is not the refrigerator front. This is the cheap front. This one right here is going to replace it. That is a custom front, and in here, let me see if I can grab is the trash area right here. So we go ahead and open that up right there. See right there. So you've got a trash can in there. That'll go shut. These are just regular. Just drawers for putting grilling supplies, things like that. Same thing. That okay. Nice soft close. This is a big storage. Oh, come on. There we go. And you can see it's hollow in there. I'm going to be filling that in. I'm also going to be putting the hardy board on that. Going around to the outside, this is where I'm going to plug in my Traeger grill right there. So the grill is going to go right in there. And here's my absolutely crazy wiring that I've got going on. I've got this is all lighting. This down here is all electrical for powering things like the refrigerators. And then I made, I've got a couple of 15 amp circuits to run that stuff on, just to separate it out. I'm going to put an outlet up in there and an outlet up in there, and that's going to run my lighting for inside the bar shed. So there'll be 2 separate light strings that are going to run in there. I am going to put some carriage lights. My wife bought some carriage lights for the outside, so I'll have a couple of carriage lights on the outside front, and then ones that'll go right here on the side. So it's ready to go. So we're going to get these boxes out of here. Trying to clean things up. Take some of this. Have to wait between trash days to take care of everything. But there it is, guys. There is the bar shed so far. We are finally doing finish work. And I've just got a tiny little bit of electrical to do, and that's it. But Dad Random, yeah. It is, it's been really hot, but I'm not going to complain anymore. I am going to complain that there's been very little drone action. A lot of the minor videos put out, the little things, 6-month review, that kind of stuff. Maybe I'll do a 6-month review. All right, but Dad Random bar shed. Remember, bar shed. Now the decision day is coming. I am almost ready to go, and I've got some names that I'm thinking about using. So I also I'm thinking about taking where the TV is going to go, because this is where the TV is going to go, right here. That's going to be where the TV is, and that I don't even have the outlet in there yet, but that is going to have a box, and that box on the outside, I was thinking about carving in the name of the bar shed on the box where the TV goes. So when you shut it, the name is right there. Maybe put the Dad Random Duck there or something. I don't know. All right. Anyway, but that's it, guys. That is this is the beginning of week 5. 5 weeks is what we've been through on this project. 5 weeks. Man, it seems like it's been. It seems like it hasn't been that long, but remember that old shed, guys, and how far we've gone from that beat-up old little gray shed to an absolute masterpiece. Having a lot of pride in the work that's going on here, and I'm excited. I'm excited for the first cold one. Yes, later, and Dad Random bar shed build, big build, week 5. Right, Steve? Week 5? Hot out for Steve. It's hot for dogs. Yeah. He's so happy. Right, Steve? Look, I'm ready. I'm done. Let's go in later. And I guess it's a pool day. I've already been in. I'm already clean. I don't have the Arab look going on. Bye-bye.